I think you all are good and fine in your home. So today I have made this video on eating spicy noodles from South Korea, and I have ordered this from Amazon because nearby my store I can't get this. So I have ordered this online. If you want to eat this, I will give you the link. Okay, so before starting this video, I want to say that I really like eating spicy and salty noodles and things. So I have seen many videos that this noodles is really spicy, so I am really excited to eat this. So wait, I will be back. Okay, 5 minutes. You can see this, it's ready now. It looks good, but it smells very different from our Maggi. I was really excited to eat this, and I was thinking that I want to try this. That's the reason I have ordered this from Amazon, and it came from, it take 2 or 3 days to come the delivery, but now I'm really excited to eat this. So let's start eating. Yes. It looks seriously, it looks very dangerous. Oh. Sorry. It's a little bit sweet and spicy very much. Actually, our Maggi is really better than this. I have to complete this. It's not very tasty, yaar. But I have to finish this because I have taken the challenge. Very much hard. Seriously. My lips. Lipstick, yay! Seriously, I don't like sweets. And this little bit sweeter also. Seriously, its taste is very bad. I don't like this. Seriously, I don't like this. Oh my, it's really better than this. In my whole life and even in my college life, I didn't apply lipstick on my lip, but you can see because of this. I think I can't complete this challenge, but I can eat little bit. Otherwise, okay, let's start eating this. One more thing I want to tell, that I'm eating this first time. That much is remaining now also. I think I have to give up this challenge. I have to complete this. No. It's really spicy and very bad smells. Seriously, South Korean like this eating? Oh my god. Their taste is too bad, I think. Sorry, but I seriously can't eat this. Yeah, I love eating spicy, but it doesn't have any taste. So how I can eat this? I didn't have water also, yeah. They have to not combine sweet in this. Because of sugar, it not taste very good. And the noodles are very big, you know. You can see this. If we compare this from our Maggi is really, what we can say, slim, you know, slim trim, and it is really fatty noodles. I think I can't complete this because it's not really tasty. I was expecting that it will taste very good, but it not taste very good, so I don't want to eat this. My lips are burning. Seriously. Okay, sorry, I didn't complete this because it not taste very good. Seriously, not really good. I don't want to eat this. Now, bye bye. And if one more thing I want to tell, I want to say, I didn't speak properly actually because of this lips. If you want to eat samyang ramen noodles, if you can't eat spicy, then please don't take this challenge, because I really like eating spicy and salty things, but it is spicy, but it is sugary, you know. They have mixed sugar in this, and that's the reason it not taste very good. I have wasted my 159 rupees on this. You know, I have ordered this online and they have taken shipment charges also. But it's okay if you want to try this. If you want to give up like me on this spicy ramen noodles challenge, then I will give you the link below in my description box, and you can get from there spicy ramen. So I have not completed this challenge because it is not tasty very much. Actually, it is not tasty because of sugar. You know, I don't like sugar and sweet things, so I'm just giving up to this challenge. Sorry, I have not completed this because it is really spicy, but not smell good also. Bye bye. And if you want to see some exciting videos and something boring, then please join me. Subscribe to my channel Poonam Saroj, and I will meet you with my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye. Sayonara. Gamsahamnida. Bye bye.